Lead generation programs. Creating leads for your business in sales and marketing. Lead generation essentially is the initiating of consumer awareness or interest in the products or services of an organization. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about lead generation programs. Creating leads for your business. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand. So for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Leads can also be generated for specific purposes like list building, email list acquisition, or bulk sales. There are many ways to generate sales lead on your own. You can go to the usual source, the consumers. But if you really want to drive massive ROI, return on investment, and see your business grow, you need to find new sources. Traditional lead generation. A lot of traditional lead generation programs involve cold calling or sending personally solicited messages to people who have shown interest or taken action in the past. These days, with the advent of the internet and other online advertising platforms, there is virtually no limit to what you can do to get your message across. Social media websites, customer portals, lead generation software, and various online communities all offer an open channel for marketers to showcase their offerings. If you think that you do not have the skills or the training to manage these activities yourself, you should consider engaging the services of expert companies that provide lead generation programs. These companies provide expert professional service and expert assistance in planning and executing strategies to generate massive leads. Getting a good lead. First of all, make sure that you choose a good lead generation program before embarking on making efforts to generate leads. There are many factors that you need to consider in choosing one. The first thing you need to look for is whether or not the company offers free trial services. This is a good sign if they offer the first step of getting potential clients. Qualified leads. Second, you need to make sure that the lead generation program you choose offers qualified leads. This simply means that the company does not use any techniques or methods that do not lead qualified leads to your sales funnel. A qualified lead is defined as someone who is interested in the products and services that you are marketing. They have shown interest by filling out a form, or calling you, or visiting a web page. Having these leads ready to be directed towards your sales funnel can mean more sales. Networking and sales funnel. Another key factor in making sure that you generate leads that result in qualified leads is the way that you go about generating leads. Many companies leave it up to prospects and existing customers to lead the way when it comes to contacting them. With lead generation software you have the ability to automate this process, making it much more effective and efficient. Sales funnel. Third, you need to take the time to learn how the lead generation programs work before you begin. Not only will you want to learn how they generate qualified leads, but you will also want to understand how to follow up with each client once they have provided you with contact information. This can be a frustrating process for many companies, but with the right lead generation programs, this can be done more efficiently. Knowing how to communicate with your clients is important. Being able to track the progress of each lead will help you make the necessary follow-up calls, or even email follow-ups as well. Webinars. Another method that you can use to create lead generation for your business is by using webinars. Webinars allow you to not only present your product or service, but also keep your prospects involved in what you are offering. You can use webinars as a way to generate contact information for your lead system. By allowing participants to sign up for your list through a webinar, you are in effect attracting new potential customers every time. Outbound telemarketing. Just like using webinars, You can also use outbound telemarketing techniques with your lead generation system. Outbound telemarketing allows you to reach people outside of your normal target audience. You can use outbound telemarketing to bring in leads on an individual basis. You may want to consider hiring a lead generation company to handle all of the details, but you may be able to do some of the work yourself. Whether you decide to hire a lead generation company or do the work yourself, you will be generating leads on an outbound basis and will be able to make more sales in a shorter period of time. Thanks for watching my video about lead generation programs. Creating leads for your business. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.